We have already written few simple programs using formulas or expressions. We have already used arithmetic operators. We have a lot of other operators to learn, so slowly we'll be learning about them. Now we will learn about compound assignment operators. These are related to arithmetic as well as other operators also. So let us understand what these are and when they are useful. See, already I have listed the compound assignment operators. So this you can see it is plus assign, minus assign. So the operator is coming before the assignment, right? Usually the expression or all the operators will be after the assignment, but here it is coming before the assignment. So when it is useful, let us see. For that I have taken one example here. I have some variables A, B, C which are having some values, and sum is also there which is having some value. Now the first thing, I want to add sum and A and store the result in sum itself. So let us see how I can do that. I want to add sum. Sum is how much? 5. Then A. How much A is? 10. Then this will be 5 plus 10, that is 15. Where I want to store? In sum only. So assign sum. So this means this will be added and the result will be stored in sum. Now sum becomes how much? 15. Right now sum is 5. So sum becomes 15. So these type of statements are commonly used in programming. Not now, in the coming sections you will find them. So right now we are learning about this operator so that we can use them whenever we require. Now we'll see the same statement can be written using compound assignment operator. Let us see this. See here in this expression, we find a variable sum is used on the right hand side of assignment as well as left hand side of assignment. When it is appearing on both the side, it means that this result is added with sum and the result is stored in sum. So the value of A is added and the result is stored in sum. So the same thing can be written like this. Sum plus assign A. So instead of writing like this, we can write it like this. What is the benefit? The first benefit is it's easily readable. See, for a beginner, it is not readable. But when you are writing C++ programs, you get used to, then it is easy for understanding that, okay, the result on the right hand side is added with sum and the result is stored in sum. And the second thing, this operation will be faster than this one. Because, and one more thing, this operation will be little faster than this one. Internally, compiler will make it faster. So this statement is faster. Now next thing, I'll show you one more expression. In that, I'll give you more clear idea where this type of statements are useful. I want to add sum A, B and C together and store the result in sum again. So I'll write the expression sum plus A plus B plus C and I want to store the result in sum. So it means all these things are added along with sum and the result is stored in sum. This is in a single statement. Now I want to break it in multiple statements, means repeated addition I want to do. First A, then B, then C. So let us see how we can do that. So first of all, let us add A. Instead of this, I am writing another method. See, sum assign sum plus A. So A is added with sum and the result is stored in sum. Now how much sum will be? Right now sum is 5 and A, so sum becomes 15. Next statement, sum assign sum plus B. So right now sum is 15 and then add B to it, that is 5. So this becomes 20. Then again sum assign sum plus C. So sum is right now 20 and plus C is 15. So sum becomes 35. So this is done in steps. So sometimes in our programs, that is in coming sections, we will see that we have to add multiple values one by one. So in such situations, we use this type of operator, that is compound assignment. So the same thing, I can write it like this now. Sum plus assign A and sum plus assign B, sum plus assign C. So the same statements are written like this now. So instead of adding all of them, I have broken them to give you the idea how this compound assignment operator is used. So if you have to add more than one elements one by one, that is repeatedly I have to add, then we can go for this. Actually, we need the statement like this. Same statement can be written like this. This gives more meaning and these are faster in C++. So this example I have given it only for addition, but it can be done for subtraction, multiplication, division, for all these, and these are bitwise operators. We have not seen them. We'll look at them in the coming videos. So for bitwise operators also we have compound assignment operators. Now I will take one more example for multiplication and I will show you. Now here I have a variable called product which is having value 1. I want to multiply A, B, C and also with product and store the result in product. So this can be written as product multiplied by A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Suppose I want like this. Then the same thing can also be written like this: product multiplied assign A into B into C. So this means that multiply all these and multiply the result with the product also and store the result in product. So the same statement can be written like this. Now if you want to break it into multiple statements, you can break them. So that's all about this compound assignment operator. So I have shown you just arithmetic operators. Other operators are also there. We may be using these operators in our program wherever required. So right now there are no example programs on this one, but just I will show you the demonstration for this compound assignment operators in the next video. So that's all.